Let's open a purse box. I had such good luck on my last Thredup Namebrand Handbag box that I did during our collab, which if you didn't watch that, make sure to go watch that video above. I had such a good box, probably the best one I've ever gotten, that I decided to try it again. Ooh, fingers crossed. I have seen some of my other YouTube friends open some since that collab that have been good. So I'm taking another shot at this box. This one I did purchase on sale again. They were running a 30% off sale for Black Friday. So that's when I purchased this box. So the normal price of the box is $100 plus shipping plus tax. But I think that it probably averaged out at about $75 or $76 with the discounts that I used. Okay, I haven't cut the tape yet. Now, I will say this box arrived a little damaged. There is a corner that's kind of punched out there. So hopefully everything is in good shape. For those of you that are new here, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and the Real. And for those of you who are joining me again, thank you. We have so much fun opening boxes here and seeing what we get. Update, my ear. I was supposed to take that thing out of my ear that the urgent care put in there for my ear infection. And I did. It did not feel good. It still feels pretty messed up. Excuse me. So the other ear is now hurting, y'all. I can't believe it. So I was able to get into my regular doctor today. Went in just to have another check done because clearly this is like crazy. And sure enough, I have a double ear infection. Like I'm a child, y'all. Now, it is like swimmer's ear. It's like an outer ear infection. They did say the swelling in this ear is better. So I don't need that thing anymore. So I think the drops are working, but I can't hear. It's like I'm underwater because now both ears are infected. So I'm wearing these adorable earrings that I got from Brighton over at Brighton Your Day. These are Kendra Scott. They're so cute with little feathers. I'm obsessed with feather jewelry right now to try to distract from the crazy ear infection. So I did swim laps in the kiddie pool last week because I was cold. Probably shouldn't do that again. It's the only thing I can think of because I've been swimming laps for years and I've only had like one ear infection. So we won't be doing that again. Lesson learned. All right, here we are. First pink is just tissue. Take that tissue off the top. Give y'all a little pink. I see a Michael Kors right on top. Now, I will be putting pricing on the screen after I kind of look up the bag and giving you guys an offer of probably half of what I would list it for. So if you're interested in any of these bags I'm showing, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I am happy to sell to you directly. They will also end up going in my Poshmark and eBay when I get around to listing, but I have 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 boxes I haven't listed yet. So it could be a minute. We'll see. Look at this one, y'all. Okay. This is a Michael Kors. This is so cute. I love this one. It's like a satchel type bag and it's got these double straps that come down almost like a belt. I love that. And then you've got the long shoulder strap so you can wear it over your shoulder also. The gold tone hardware. Let's see what kind of pocket situation this guy has. Okay, so we've got a magnetic slip on the back. Looks like it's in good shape. I don't really see much wear. There's a little smudge here, but I think that'll wipe. That should wipe off. Let's wipe it off real fast. Hold on. We might as well try to clean them up real fast. This is what I use first. This is like a leather, just quick care wipe. It does a little cleaning and it's also supposed to help restore the leather. If that doesn't work, then this is your next best option. This is hardcore and will clean almost anything. Kristen D recommended this and I love these. This is the tub of towels. I'll link all that down in the description. if y'all are cleaning up handbags. So let's try one of these leather wipes real fast and just see if this comes off. I feel like this is just like a little surface stain or something. Okay. My husband is outside the office with the dogs. Visiting with the dogs. Oh yeah, that just wiped right off. Perfect. Okay, good deal. There you go. And I got a little bit of conditioning too. Let's check the inside of this bag. Looks really clean. Super happy with that. We have a zip pocket here on the inside. It looks like there's a little something there. I'll have to try to get off. That looks like it's something that'll just come off. And then 2 slip pockets. You have an interior hang for like keys, things like that. And then 2 more slip pockets. This is great. Oh, and the leather smells really good. All right, let's check the zipper. Yay, okay. I am loving this bag. Look how cute that is. Okay, I love this one. I'll put a price on the screen. I'll look this up, kind of see what this one is comping out for. I love that one. And that one's in great shape. The leather smells amazing. We're off to a good start. Okay. Next, we've got like a burgundy. This one is, ooh, a Rebecca Minkoff. Rebecca Minkoff doesn't necessarily resell for the most, but I really like her bags. So, let's check this guy out. Well, this one looks like it's in pretty good condition also. Okay. We've got the burgundy or maroon, I guess you could say, leather with these really adorable straps. I love the hardware on here, the skull tone hardware. There's your Rebecca Minkoff. You can hold it like this, right? Here's the side. So it's got like a, so it kind of reminds me of like the Louis Vuitton Speedy, except the sides are like a triangular cut, if that makes sense. So you've got zipper pocket on this side, zipper pocket on this side, and then on the back, y'all, look at this pocket. I love pockets. You've got a flap and then a zipper. So I love that one. Let's check the bottom. Bottom looks amazing. And let's check the inside. Oh my gosh, and she comes with a dust bag that matches the interior of this bag. Ooh, I love this one. Okay, so you've got your blue, like leopard print, Rebecca Minkoff. Says it, well, I can see it. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. There it is. Rebecca Minkoff. I love this. Okay. How many times am I going to say that in this video? Hopefully a lot. Hopefully I love all the bags. It looks like maybe we have a little bit of color change here on the corner. Yeah, we have a little bit on the piping, a little bit of the change of color here from wear. So there is that. Okay, and then the inside matches that dust cover. Look at that. Gorgeous. You've got a zipper pocket. You've got a kind of smaller slip pocket. There's your Rebecca Minkoff. And then on the other side, 2 slip pockets. Oh my goodness. This one is also super awesome. I love that one. And it comes in a dust bag. I can't believe it. Okay, let me give you guys another peek since we've taken the top 2 off. So the deal with this box is that you get 4 bags and an accessory for $100. Now, my last box had another bag as the accessory, which was great. Like a small bag. It's actually right there behind me, that hot pink one, which I did for the giveaway. So hopefully the person who won the second time will reach out to me. So it looks like we've got 2 bags left, and then we do have a wallet. So let's go for the wallet. Okay, this one is a Kate Spade. Kind of like a taupe or tan thin wallet. There is a lot of wear here. Like the Kate Spade is pretty worn off. But I mean, besides that, there's a little like exposed piping there. Overall, in pretty good shape, actually. Interior, you've got your card slots, ID area with the really cool stripe, which I always love the stripe. There for your bills, and then you've got your interior Kate Spade tag there, Kate Spade stamped there. So except for that little bit of exposed piping, which if I were going to keep this, I would just touch this up with a permanent marker. I wouldn't do that to resell it, but that's what I would do if I was carrying it. And then you've got your zipper on the outside. Make sure that works. Nice. There is some staining here from the coins. Might be able to get that out with tub of towels. We'll see. But yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, next bag. We have a Kate Spade. This kind of reminds me of the one that I unboxed the last time with the bow. This one is a really pretty pink, a blush pink. And it has that structured bow, which the blue one that I sold in the last video did. The edge coat looks really good. Bottom looks really good. So do the corners. Yeah. There's a little mark right there. We should just see if that wipes off, right? Nope, that didn't come off. Okay, we'll have to try it with the tub of towels. I feel like that could be glue. We'll see. So no exterior pocket back here. There is a pocket here behind the bow. There is a little mark here, and they have a really pretty pink Kate Spade interior. So let's open her up. Overall, inside looks pretty good. There's a little stain on the bottom, which again, I can try to wipe out if any of y'all are interested. You've got your 2 slip pockets here, your zipper pocket here, Kate Spade tag, and then your Kate Spade right there. So overall, like, I'm pretty happy with this box. We'll see. Okay, so on the zipper, there is some staining here on the cloth part of the zipper. Again, that's something I can try to see if I can get off, but I don't know. Zipper works. Adorable. Comes with the strap. Oh, so cute. I love that one. Okay, last bag. We've got the Dooney Bourke signature kind of canvas crossbody. Let's get the DB. So I don't know, do they still make the DB? This is probably vintage. I feel like this was like a Y2K thing. So I would say this is probably a vintage one if I had to guess, because I had one like this in the early 2000s. You've got your Dooney Bourke hang tag, exterior zip pocket. Look how pretty that pop of red is. The back looks really good. Corners look excellent. It works. Okay, and then you've got your interior zip pocket, which has your Dooney Bourke right here. And then on the other side, another hint that this might be vintage, you have your phone slip pocket, which is for a phone from the 2000s, not now. You have your interior hang, and then your Dooney and Bourke tag right here. Like that. This is great. Well, I am overall very happy with this box. My last box had a lot of Kate Spades in it, but we did get 2 Kate Spades in this box. I got the purse and the wallet. Okay, we got the Dooney and Bourke, got the Rebecca Minkoff with the dust bag, and we got that awesome Michael Kors bag in the beginning. And I'm not a huge Michael Kors girl. I have like 2 Michael Kors bags, but I love this one. I think this one is so cool looking, especially if you were to just drop the handles and carry this over your shoulder. I think that's so cool. Probably could be a crossbody because it's on a shorter link right now too. Let me know what you guys think. Have you done another name brand handbag box recently? I feel like they've gotten much better than they were, and they're always available now, which is nice. Hopefully it stays that way. And I think based on this box and my last box, if there's another sale, I'm definitely ordering another one. Anyways, like I said, let me know what you guys think. Drop it in the comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe if you're not. We'd love to have you join all the fun on the channel. I will be back on Thursday for Thredup Thursday, and we're going to be unboxing another Thredup box. See y'all then. Bye, y'all.